First remove the 2 screws on the brake pad. Then loosen the 3 screws under the right handlebar. You can remove the handlebar by twisting it a few more times. Next, cut off the corresponding cable ties and unplug the corresponding wires. In this way, the rear brake has been successfully removed. Install the brake first and tighten the screws. Reinstall the handlebars in order and tighten them by rotating. Next, install the 3 screws and connect the power supply to complete the installation of the brake.